When the nervous system starts to relax as you shift out of fight or flight, one of the most common things that happens for people as they do EFT tapping is they yawn. And that it signifies like an energetic blockage being released. It also signifies that downshifting of the nervous system, because if you were in fight or flight, you're probably not going to feel relaxed enough to yawn. So it's always a good sign. People always apologize when I'm tapping with them on a Zoom or a client session or whatever. They're like, oh, sorry, I'm yawning. An EFT practitioner is always thrilled to see you yawn all the way through a session. Nobody will ever be happy to see you yawning at them more than an EFT practitioner.